Couchwasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you my essential oil product empties. If this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Alright, so I recently posted a story on my Instagram asking you guys if you would be interested to see a product empties video. But instead of the usual beauty product or cosmetics product empties, I thought of sharing with you an essential oil related product empty. So, buti na lang, I almost always keep my essential oil empty bottles. If it were like cosmetics, I wouldn't have enough products because I normally throw it out, or sometimes I throw it out even before I finish the product kasi sobrang sawa na ako sa product. But with my essential oils, I always seem to find ways to repurpose the bottles, and so I never really throw any essential oil bottle just like that. I almost always reuse them and repurpose them. So for today, I do have a handful of products. I kept them out here, and I'll be sharing with you how I got through it quickly, and maybe where you can buy it if you are interested to try it too. So let's get on with the video. Alright, so first in my list, I'll just grab anything from this basket, okay? So first on my list is this Young Living Thieves Foaming Hand Soap Cleanser. If you've been to my studio, like in here, I know you've seen this in my sink because we go through a lot of these because we really use Thieves cleaner and Thieves everything inside this place. I clean the place with Thieves cleaner. Hindi pa siya ubos. I still have a lot, like this behind me. I still have a lot because you only need to use very little to clean so many things. So that's a really good one. This one we go through a lot because we wash our hands a lot here in the studio because you know you always have to be sanitized and everything before you make anything. So this is my first bottle which we have finished. I actually use this as my dishwashing liquid container. So, ito siya. When you come here, you'll see this in my sink because I really use that. Next on my basket is this Plant Therapy Hemp Seed Oil. I go through a lot of hemp seed oils because it's one of my favorite carrier oils. In some of my workshops, I do include this in the recipe, like the one I had in Davao. Everybody loved it. Even after the workshop, some of my students messaged me how much they love their hemp seed balm. It's one of the carrier oils I would recommend if you suffer from psoriasis or any skin concerns. And I always have an extra bottle of this in my fridge. I keep this in my fridge because you'll never know when you'll need it. Next is this one. Okay, so this is my RMO True Blue Essential Oil Blend. This is actually the one I posted on my stories asking if you guys wanted an empties video. I never imagined I'd go through this as quickly as I did. It still smells amazing. You can see that it has a bluish tint simply because it has blue tansy, and I don't know if I was just stressed the past few weeks or months or if I've been working so hard, that's why my back is aching quite more often, or it's just that I'm really enjoying the smell. That's why I've gone through this quite quickly than normal. Yeah, so it's empty na. But this is very, very affordable. This is only like $16, less than $20. And the reason why I like this and I like applying this is that it has an amazing smell. Very far from Panaway. Maybe close to doTERRA's Deep Blue, but this is so much more affordable, and it has fewer ingredients. So if you have like the chance to try RMO oils, maybe you want to try this. I do say that I feel doTERRA's Deep Blue and Young Living's Panaway work faster, but if you are on a budget, this is just $16, less than $20. It's a good buy. Okay, so next in my basket is this one. It's Now Lemon Essential Oil. As you can see, if I've gone through a bottle, usually nag-iiba na yung takip niya or nawawala na because I repurpose them. Like, I do have a lot of essential oils, and some of them because of storage or because of their length of time being under my custody, nasisira na yung takip. So I keep all the essential oil bottles, and even yung mga reducer, I keep these things. And yeah, I also keep the bottles. I honestly don't know what I'll do with them, but I just keep them just in case I need them in the future. And this is one of those. I like using this brand also because it's affordable and it's pure. You can only get this from True Value in Shangri-La specifically. And I've gone through a lot of lemon bottles because lemon is one of the basic oils that almost everyone can appreciate. You can use this to cleanse the air, to clean your house, or when your space smells a little funky because of the ulam that you've cooked, you can use this, diffuse this. It instantly freshens up everything. That's why I've gone through a lot of lemons. Not only this, I think I've gone through other lemons, but it's just that it's not here. But there, if you guys are interested to get your own Now bottles, I recently just got a couple of more Now bottles from True Value Shangri-La. It was on 30% off, so it was a good buy. But the downside is that you never get to buy small ones. With this brand, in True Value, you always get them at 30 mils minimum, or the ones bigger. So I've purchased bigger ones for my workshops here, or for my products with Danti Court. And yeah, next on my list is this one. Okay, so sabay na lang sila. So I've gone through these Zelaroma bottles. As you can see, wala na takip. Na-repurpose ko na siya, tinabi ko na siya somewhere else. But these are some of my top favorite oils from Zelaroma. Aside from lavender, I also go through lavender quite a lot because I share it with also my relatives and my sisters. But these two are like my favorite combination. So this is Zelaroma's Lime. This is actually their new bottle. Yeah. So this is Lime, and this is Zelaroma's Spearmint. Spearmint is very useful for me because I always recommend this to my community if they have kids younger than 9. So anybody who has kids younger than 9 years old, and if you want to use something minty to your child, I would recommend for you to stay away from peppermint and use spearmint instead. It's the only minty, kid-friendly oil that you can use. So that's the reason why I go through a lot of this, because I make blends for some of the people in my community, and of course for my friends and everyone. These are the two Zelaroma oils that I've gone through so far. And finally, I know maybe you'd expect me to bring this in this list because I honestly use this every single day since I discovered it last November 2017. Yeah. So this is my first bottle. Yeah, I put my Aroma Glide Fitment in there and I just use it. Kaya ito siya. And I keep the bottle because I can't seem to part ways with this. It's so nice. The bottle is so nice and sturdy. That's why I kept it. But I honestly don't know what I'll do with it. But anyway, this is my Progescence Plus. And if you have PCOS or polycystic ovaries and you'd want to stop using birth control pills or BCP, you have to try this. It's my savior. I haven't had any synthetic hormone touch my body since November or December of 2017. And I do have a couple of hormonal acne. It's normal. It comes every month. But I think I've already found a way to manage it. Maybe I can share it in my next videos. But hindi pa kasi siya kasama sa Empty as of now. So hindi ko pa siya masama. But I also use another essential oil product to manage my hormonal acne. And overall, I'm very happy with this. I buy this more or less 2,500 or 3,000 pesos, somewhere there. And it has effectively kept me off from needing to use birth control pills. And I've recommended this bottle to a lot of the girls in my community who also has PCOS, or to those who are having irregular period, or even to those who are having hard time bearing a child. And this has given a lot of like wonders to everyone. So if you know who is suffering from female hormonal imbalances, especially related to their reproductive system, maybe you can try this. Maybe you can try to help this balance your hormones, because that's what it has done for me. Alright, so I guess that's all for today's product empties. It's a handful, but before we end this video, I would like to throw in a simple giveaway. Alright, so since I mentioned earlier that I go through a lot of lemon essential oil in my space and in general, I would like to give away this Young Living lemon essential oil. So this one is a 5 ml Young Living oil, and it's for the taking. The raffle mechanics is very simple. I will put everything down below, but top of mind, you just have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, put down below your Instagram handle, because I normally pick the winners and announce it on my Instagram. And be sure to follow my 2 IG accounts, that's Happy Oiler PH, and my personal Instagram account, Jalian85. So you have to be a follower of those 2 accounts, subscribe to this channel, and like this video, and leave a comment of your Instagram handle down below, and I will be picking the winner after 10 days. So I'll be putting the deadline down through the description box so you won't be lost. But yeah, this is for anyone who wants to have it. Okay? So if you want to win your own Young Living oil for free, just join the giveaway. So there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you've got product empties related to essential oils that you want to share, don't forget to post them on your Instagram and tag me. I'd love to see like the things that we go through related to essential oils. And if there's anything else, drop them down through the comments. If you have any suggestions on what kind of videos you want me to upload next, I would love to know, because sometimes I'm also on a block. I honestly don't know what content to put up, like something different. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall if you've enjoyed it so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!